skeletal system, the body's living framework. Most people think of the skeleton as a fixed frame, a collection of hard bones holding the body upright. But your skeletal system is alive. It is supplied with blood, filled with active tissue, and constantly adapting to the way you live. Your bones support your weight. They protect your organs. They give your muscles something to pull against so you can move. They store minerals, and inside the bone marrow, new blood cells are produced. So the skeletal system is not separate from the rest of the body. It is deeply connected with circulation, movement, nutrition, hormones, and the nervous system. An adult body has around 206 bones. Some are large and strong, like the femur in the thigh. Others are tiny, like the small bones inside the ear. Together they create a framework that is both stable and flexible. The skull protects the brain. The spine surrounds the spinal cord. The ribs protect the heart and lungs. The pelvis supports the weight of the upper body and protects organs in the lower abdomen. But bones are not solid, lifeless blocks. Old bone tissue is constantly being broken down and replaced with new tissue. This process happens throughout life. The body responds to the demands placed upon it. When bones are regularly challenged through walking, lifting, climbing, and other weight-bearing movement, the body receives a reason to maintain strength. When movement disappears, the body adapts to that too. It does not keep spending energy maintaining tissue it believes is no longer needed. This is important as we get older. Many changes blamed entirely on age are also connected with years of reduced movement, poor sleep, inadequate nourishment, and less time outdoors. Age matters, but the conditions we create still matter at every age. The skeletal system is also one of the body's main mineral reserves. Calcium and phosphorus are stored within bone, but minerals are not there simply to make the skeleton hard. They are also needed throughout the body for muscle contraction, nerve communication, and many other processes. The body has to maintain balance. When minerals are needed elsewhere, it may release some from the bones. When conditions allow, minerals can be returned. This is not the body making a mistake. It is prioritizing immediate survival. From the natural body intelligence perspective, weakening bones do not appear out of nowhere. They reflect the conditions the whole body has been adapting to. What has the body been receiving? Has there been regular movement, enough rest, natural light, simple nourishment? Has digestion been working well enough to absorb what is being eaten? Has the body been dealing with constant stress and stimulation? All of these things affect how resources are used. Eating more calcium alone does not answer every question. The body still has to digest it, absorb it, transport it, and decide where it is most needed. Mineral balance depends on the whole terrain. Fresh fruit and leafy greens provide water, minerals, and other nutrients in a form the body can use. Sunlight supports natural rhythms and helps the body maintain vitamin D, which plays an important role in calcium use. Movement tells the bones they are needed. Sleep provides time for repair. The endocrine system also influences the skeleton. Hormones help regulate bone growth, mineral balance, and renewal. This is why the skeletal system cannot be understood separately from the endocrine system, digestive system, or kidneys. Everything is connected. Stress matters too. Long-term stress changes posture. The shoulders pull forward, the jaw tightens, the spine becomes compressed, movement becomes more restricted. This can place uneven strain on joints, bones, and the tissues surrounding them. The skeleton may look rigid, but it is constantly responding to muscular tension and the way we carry ourselves. Posture is not just about forcing yourself to sit straight. It reflects strength, movement, breathing, and emotional state. When the body feels safe and supported, it often holds itself differently. The skeletal system also works closely with the muscles and joints. Bones provide the levers. Muscles create the pull. Joints allow movement between them. If one part becomes weak or restricted, another part often compensates. Pain in one area may not have begun there. A change in the feet can affect the knees can affect the hips can alter the position of the spine. The body adjusts as one connected structure. This is why simply focusing on the painful spot can miss the cause. The body may be redistributing weight, protecting an old injury, or compensating for weakness somewhere else. Rest matters after injury, but so does gradual movement when the body is ready. bones respond to appropriate pressure. Too little stimulation can weaken them. Too much too soon can create further strain. The body needs the right amount of challenge followed by enough recovery. Fasting and simpler eating may reduce the energy being used for constant digestion. From a natural hygiene perspective, that can create more opportunity for maintenance and repair. But the skeleton still needs nourishment, movement and time. It cannot be forced to rebuild overnight. The aim is to create the conditions that support renewal, not to chase one mineral, not to attack one symptom, not to treat the skeleton as if it has somehow become separate from the rest of you. Your bones are living tissue. They are constantly receiving information about how you move, what you eat, how you rest, and the demands being placed upon your body. They protect you, they support you, they change with you. When the conditions improve, the skeletal system can continue adapting at any age. Maybe not instantly, maybe not perfectly, but the body never stops responding. Your skeleton is not simply the frame you carry through life, it is part of the living intelligence carrying you. Standard skeletal functions include support, movement, organ protection, mineral storage and blood cell production, while the natural body intelligence hub frames every system as part of one